In the next episode of the Satyam Sensen, the story moves deeper into a secret. Every character scheme to like hiding something, and every hidden truth is now ready to next explored. Dekla has already faced on one of the biggest shock of her life. Daria is life Alif. This is true changes everything because it means to Dekla past was not what she believed. Someone keep the information away for her, and now she has asked to the painful question, why was she left in a darkness for so long? This secret does not only belongs to Dekla, it also touches to Erkan, Fredian and Farman, the whole elder families. If Daria is Alif, then the man already to all stories must be questioned again. Who know this true? Who stayed silent? Who used this silence for their own benefit? Dekla is no longer to a girl who can be easily pushed aside. After this true, she will want to answer, and those answers can break many relationships. Farman rule to become more dangerous. He is a kind of person who understands to be is the power of information. He does not need to shout, and he only need to be the right secret at the right time. If he used to the Daria to for his own plan, and the Rekla happiness can turn into the another type. Nilufar and Sihan maybe get pulled into the game because the Farman move never hurt only one person. Meanwhile, to Berson's situation is also changing. She tried to look innocent, but the truth is always coming to closer to her. Her secret with Tehria will become to the reason for her fall. The more she tried to hide, the observe fear becomes. Erkan has already started to see the Berson is not too harmless. Once to Erkan and becomes too serious, he will not to be a stay silent. The next episode will not to be about romance. It will be about to true, and Dekla will stand in the middle of love, family, battle, and hope. She will want to be run of Daria, but she will also need to be understand who took the Daria away from her life. This is where the drama becomes stronger. The truth may hail to Dekla, but before hailing, it may be first destroy every lie around her.